If you've ever wondered how to save a Lucidchart file, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how Lucidchart handles saving, plus how to download a copy of your diagram to your computer in just a few clicks. This is super helpful whether you're working on flowcharts, org charts, diagrams, or any other visual project. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open an existing document or create a new one. Once your file is open, you can start editing right away, add shapes, insert text, connect lines, and make any changes you need. As you work, Lucidchart automatically saves your progress in the cloud, so you do not need to press a manual save button like you would in some other apps. That's one of the biggest benefits of Lucidchart. Your work is being saved continuously in the background, which helps reduce the risk of losing changes. So if you're looking for the traditional save button, you might not see one, because Lucidchart handles that for you automatically. Now, if your goal is to save a copy of the file onto your computer, that's where export comes in. To do that, look to the top right of the screen and click the three-line menu. From there, choose Export. This opens the download options for your document. Next, select the file format you want. Lucidchart usually gives you several choices such as PDF, PNG, or JPEG. Pick the format that best fits what you need. For example, PDF is great for sharing and printing, while PNG or JPEG can be useful for images and presentations. If needed, adjust any export settings before continuing. Once everything looks correct, click Download. Lucidchart will generate the file and save it to your computer. After the download finishes, you can find it in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser stores downloaded files. So to recap, Lucidchart automatically saves your edits as you work, and if you want a local copy, you can export the file in the format you choose. That makes it easy to both protect your progress and share your diagram outside of Lucidchart. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.